Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to book a flight with Etihad guest miles. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Etihad.com web account, which of course I've done right here. How can you create an account on Etihad? Pretty simple. Launching the browser feature is locate the search bar. In the search bar for browser, type Etihad.com, and that's going to take you to the official website for Etihad. Tap right on and follow through with the on-screen prompt to create your account. And after doing that, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Etihad Airways. So now that we're here, let's learn how we can book a flight with Etihad Guest Miles. So from this top right corner of your screen, go ahead and click on Etihad Guest, and it's going to take you right into the Etihad Guest account. So from there, we're going to proceed with paying with miles or booking a flight with Etihad Guest Miles. So right here, we're in Etihad. So check here, this is Etihad Guest. So check here where you have book at the top right corner of your screen and select book. So you can now book a flight with miles. So here you go, book flights with miles. So where we're flying from, first of all, I'm going to have to change this round trip to one way, and I'm freaking flying with this class. All right, so where you're flying from, in this communication bar, I'm going to type in that and where I'm flying to. So I'm going to choose 15th and I'm going to click on search flights. Now you have all of these flights available for first class that you can choose from. So I'm going to select the first one and click that open, and here, so go ahead and click on continue. So here you have to confirm your flight details to be sure that you really want to do this. Enter the guest information, and I'm just going to put my name and first name, last name, contact information. Check the flight summary here to be sure that that's what you want. And you can, if you don't want to add extras, and you can just click on skip to payment. But if you want to add extras, so you can go ahead and add extras. So I'm just going to head over here to click on skip to payment. Ta-da! This is about heartbreaking news that says insufficient miles for me to proceed with this. It says you don't have enough miles to proceed, and do you want to pay with cash? Current miles balance 0 miles. So if you have enough miles, then you should be able to proceed with payment. But this says I do not have sufficient miles, so I can just go ahead and click on continue with cash. But then you have this miles. How many miles would you like to use? You have these miles available, so you can just enter any of the amount, and but we can't do that because we don't have sufficient miles. So that's it. So it's taking me back here, so I can now select any and pay with cash. But then if you have sufficient miles and you follow through with that process, it's just going to take you right into the checkout window where your miles are going to be deducted and you'll not be able to pay with cash. So those are just the processes that you can use. All right. So ensure that you have sufficient miles so that you'll be able to check out effortlessly without hassle. So go about the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.